Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making spaghetti squash with meat sauce. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 1 spaghetti squash, 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomato drained, 2 cups of crushed tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of onion, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and fresh parsley to garnish. Carefully cut the squash in half, then using a large spoon scoop out the center. Place it on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, then drizzle with 1 tablespoon of the olive oil and season with your salt and pepper. Now brush the squash to make sure that it is evenly coated. Turn it face down onto the parchment paper, then transfer it to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, remove it from the oven, then set it aside. In a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and bring it to medium heat. Sauté the garlic and onion for 1 minute. Now brown your ground beef. Season with the salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Now add your crushed tomatoes and your drained diced tomatoes and continue to simmer for another 4 minutes. Turn off the heat, then set it aside until later. Using a fork, gently pull the squash away from the skin. Now top with your meat sauce, then your mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Transfer it to the oven and allow it to cook for an additional 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove it from the oven, then garnish with your parsley, and it is ready to serve. If you're looking for an alternative to traditional pasta, then give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my to grasp how to make great food with Steph's name.